I'm Joseph Conte. My involvement with UCF has started probably about 17 years ago, and I'm now culminating my Board of Trustees 2 terms in early 2025. My introduction to UCF was through the medical school development and through the meeting of Dr. German. She started talking about her vision for the new campus, but more importantly, for the new medical school, for the new type of physician. I was very interested in hearing what she had to say. I saw it as an opportunity. So I sat down with Dr. German, and being who she was, she listened, understood, and we collaborated and became very close relative to that issue. When you look at UCF's lifespan, you see the speed at which innovation and process has so improved in these 10 years.
I'm Deb German. I'm the Vice President for Health Affairs and the founding dean of the UCF College of Medicine. And very shortly after I arrived, I met Joe. And the two of us resonated right away, and Joe became one of the very first donors of a full scholarship for our charter class. Joe and I would walk the dirt and talk about not only the medical school and the medical education building, but the entire picture. Joe cares about the results. He doesn't care about having his name on a building, and he doesn't care about getting credit for anything. What he wants to see is good things happen for others. He gives his time, he gives his expertise, and the great thing about Joe is he knows a lot, and at the same time, he's willing to question what he knows and learn something new. And that's the perfect partner to have when you're building something that you hope will transform a community.
I am Alexander Cartwright. I'm the president of the University of Central Florida, and I've known Trustee Conte for the last 4 years. Trustee Conte has shaped the trajectory of this university in so many ways. I would say that his biggest impact, and I know a big passion area for him, has been the work with the College of Medicine. He serves actually as our chair for our UCF Academic Health DSO. He's devoted countless hours towards that activity, and I think has been instrumental in moving our academic health enterprise forward in ways that I don't think we can ascribe to anybody else other than Trustee Conte. He's a big advocate for making sure you measure your outcomes, and I'm also a big believer in that. And he's just someone who asks a lot of the right questions at the right time to help us to think about what we should be doing as an institution to move forward. The Shining Knights Award is intended to recognize people who have had an exceptional impact on this university. I couldn't think of anybody more deserving than Trustee Conte.
When I was called by Dr. Cartwright regarding the John C. and Martha Hitt Honorary Alumni Award, I began to understand what it meant. And it really does do a lot for me personally, more than what it is. It's a personal culmination of the 10 years I've put in as Board of Trustees. But as he explained, and as I begin to understand it, it really did hit home.
I can't imagine a person who would be better suited for this award than Joe. Joe, although he didn't get his education at UCF, he bleeds black and gold. He is interested in every aspect of this university, and it's my good luck that he has a background in healthcare at a time when I needed someone who understood what we were doing. Joe, you have been a gift to UCF and an extraordinary gift to the College of Medicine and the medical city. And over the years, we cannot count the number of successes we've had that have your fingerprints all over it. Thank you isn't enough, but it's all I have. Thank you, Joe.